Hi, I'm Jessie with Westwood Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make a stress ball out of flour and balloons. So first you'll need 2 balloons. You can technically do it with 1, but I prefer 2. We'll get into that later. And so first balloon, you're actually going to blow it up a little bit. Let it all out, just to stretch it out a bit. It's going to make it easier to get the flour in there later. So then you're going to use a funnel. I don't have a funnel, but I do have a water bottle. So I'm just going to cut the top off of that. And now we have a funnel. So what you're going to do is fit the balloon around the mouth of the water bottle. This one's a little went out, but that's okay. It'll do the job. There we go. And then you're going to add your flour into it. Just poke it in a little bit. See how that goes. Oh yeah, now we're getting somewhere. Okay, so that's not a whole lot, so I'm going to put in some wood. This time it's going much faster. Yeah, and that's more along the lines of the size I want it. So, I'm gonna pop that off. Flour can go over on the ground. And then I am going to tie my balloon. If you are less of a messy person than me, you might not get flour everywhere, but you also might. Might have to prepare to clean up after you do this. Tying the balloon, which I made look way weirder than it is. And there, if you just want to do the 1 balloon, you're done. This is your stress ball. Nice and stressy. If you want to do 2 balloons, which I like to do just in case there's a leak or something like that, so that the flour doesn't get everywhere, then you're going to take this balloon and cut the blowing up hole, the mouth, this off. We don't use this. We are going to use the rest of the balloon, where you cut that off, and you're just going to put the first balloon inside of it. There you go. Great little stress ball. Nice stress relief. So I used a little bit less than 1/3 of a cup of flour. How much you used is up to you, but I like to use enough that there's still space for it in the balloon, just so it moves around okay. There's plenty of room for it to shift and compress. And that way it's less likely to leak out of the balloon too. Thanks for watching.